Hey everybody, welcome to the LisaBug Fitness and Yoga Fitness Assessment Series. And what I have for you today is the 1-minute timed crunch test. So what you'll need for this assessment is a measuring tape that you set at 4 inches in length and probably a mat to come down on the floor. You'll need a stopwatch as well, as this is a timed assessment. You might need somebody to help administer this test for you, or if you've got a timer or a watch that you can set at 60 seconds and that you hear the beep, you're going to be able to do this on your own. So this assessment examines the strength and endurance of your rectus abdominis, so that ability to do a forward flexion, coming up and down, abdominal strength and endurance. So it's the number of crunches that you can get in 1 minute. The caveat is that you need to travel the distance 4 inches with your fingers on the mat to count each crunch. So what I'm doing is taking a little tape measure here, and I'm going to put it down on my mat. You might want to use some masking tape or scotch tape and tape it into place on the floor so that it doesn't slide around and move. And then you're going to come on down onto the mat on your back with your knees bent about 90 degrees or so, your feet flat, feet about hips distance apart, in a nice relaxed position on the mat with your arms by your side. Then your fingertips are going to find the very edge of that measuring tape. And to count the crunch, you're going to need to come all the way up until your fingers bump that measuring tape, which is 4 inches, and then come back down. So you might try 1 or 2 just to see how it feels. Make sure that you can do that. And then get your timer ready for 60 seconds. If your neck starts to bother you with this assessment, sometimes that happens, you can take the free hand, the one that you're not measuring on the floor, and place it behind your head so that you can relax your head and your neck. Then you'll get that timer ready, or someone to help you start the timer, and then begin. Exhale coming up, inhale coming down. And each time you touch the end of that measuring tape, counting each repetition, and once 1 minute is finished, that's the last one, relax, and then you'll take that number for your assessment. Now I've included in the notes of the video today a calculation tool. So you're going to be able to take the number that you did, go into the calculation tool. It's going to ask for a couple of things, probably your age and male or female, and then the number of sit-ups that you did, and it will calculate the range that you are in. If you're above average, below average, excellent, superior, it will let you know how you're doing compared to others in your age group. But what's most importantly is not necessarily to compare yourself to others, but to be able to repeat this assessment maybe 6 months down the road exactly as you had administered it and see where you have improved over time. So that is our goal for these fitness assessments. If you have any questions, give me a little text, send me a message, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks everybody. Take care.